Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Polish for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through a street in Poland. Old buildings, quiet cafes, the sound of Polish around you. Strong, unique, full of character. Someone looks at you, smiles, and says something. And in that moment, you hesitate. Not because it's impossible, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Polish phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more respectful, more connected? Because language isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, connecting. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with cześć. Hi, casual, friendly. Now something more formal. Dzień dobry. Good day. Hello. Take it slow. Dzień dobry. Use this with strangers, in shops or polite situations. In the evening, dobry wieczór. Good evening. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. Say dziękuję. Thank you. It may feel tricky, but take it slow. Dziękuję. And to respond, proszę. You're welcome / please. One word, two meanings. Very useful. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is tak, and no is nie. Tak, nie. Clear, direct. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with przepraszam. Excuse me, sorry. Use it to get attention or apologize. And for requests, proszę. Please. Again, same word, different meaning. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, mam na imię, your name. My name is, mam na imię, or simply, jestem, your name. I am, jestem. And to say nice to meet you, miło mi. Nice to meet you. Miło mi. Short, warm. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. Mówisz po angielsku? Do you speak English? Mówisz po angielsku. If you're confused, co to jest? What is this? Co to jest? And if you didn't understand, możesz powtórzyć? Can you repeat? Możesz powtórzyć. Section 7. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You see something you like. Say, to proszę. This, please. To proszę. Or, poproszę to. I would like this. Poproszę to. And when you're done, rachunek proszę. The bill, please. Rachunek proszę. Section 8. Saying goodbye. Now, saying goodbye. Do widzenia. Goodbye. Do widzenia. More casual, pa, bye, or do zobaczenia. See you again. Do zobaczenia. And just like that, you now have real Polish phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about perfection. It's about courage. So next time, when someone speaks to you in Polish, don't hesitate. Smile and say, Cześć. And your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.